Hello friends, hope you like the previous three videos. Now let us do another type of calculation, the fast calculator, in which how you will be solving the multiplication concept when you have to multiply any number by a three-digit number. So for that we have a formula. Like for example, let us suppose say A, B, C, D, E, F, and we are multiplying it by X, Y, Z. So here we have a formula actually. Normal for unit digit, that's we will do it similar to that of two digit, okay? And unit we first of all we multiply this. So the first step will be f into z. Second step will be same that we have done in two digit number, that is e into z plus this, and ez plus fy. Now look into this. Now let us draw one clockwise. Let us suppose we have this, we have this, we have this, okay? So let us suppose this is 1 2 3, this is 4 5 6. So in this what we do, first we multiply this number, okay, then we multiply this number, then last we multiply this number, which means here answer will be 1 cross 6 plus 2 cross 5 plus 3 cross 4. Means first step will be this, next step will be this, and the last step will be this. In this way you have to multiply a three-digit number, okay? So let us solve. So in that case you can clearly see, let us suppose third one is this. You can see we have to multiply dz. First of all dz we have to multiply dz, okay? Then here we will be multiplying this number, then this ey, then we will be multiplying this fx. Now in the same way, this is the number that we have done. Now we will be doing this, okay? So in that also we will do the same thing, cz plus dy plus ex. In fifth step also we will almost do something, same thing, okay? In this we will be using this number, okay? This number मतलब means क्या होगा, az हो गया, sorry bz हो गया, bz plus cy plus tx. In the sixth step we will be dealing with this number abc, and this, so this number will become az plus, next will be by, and then last one will be cx. This is sixth step. Now in seventh step what we do, now since we have started by using by first one digit, then two digit, then three, so here we have to go in backward direction also. First that is three digit, then after that we will be going to two digit, and then last is one digit. So for two digit we will be using a, b and xy, means cross multiply. That is very simple, ay plus bx. Now in the third one we will be adding the remainder and ax, simple first one, that is this and this. Here is the one thing to be noted, that carry has not been considered. Carry not considered. So you have to consider it, carry, while solving, okay? Hope the problem is, it is easy. First of all you have to multiply fz, then cross multiply double d ez plus fy, then three digit, and that is actually a cross multiply dz plus ey plus fx. That is the concept, this. In this way similarly last step ए बी को मल्टीप्लाई एक्स वाई से करेंगे, ए एक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आपस में, देन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व द वन क्वेश्चन बाय यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट, ओके? 639751 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 397. Now let us first do in a simple way what we always used to do, okay? In a simple process, it's simple actually. 7 1 are 7, 5 7 are 35, 3 will be carry, 7 7 are 49 plus 3 52, 5 will be carry, 7 9 are 63, 5 is carry to 68, 6 will be carry, 7 are 21, 6 27, 2 will be carry, 6 7 are 42, 44. Now cross multiply it, 9 1s are 9, 5 9s are 45, 4 will be carry, 7 9s are 63 plus 4 67, 6 will be carry, 9 9s are 81 plus 6 87, 8 will be carry, 9 is 27 plus 8 27 plus 8 will give 35, 3 will be carry, 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57. Now this cross multiply 3 This is 15, 1 carry, 7, 21, 22, 2 carry, 19, 27, 29, 2 carry, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 6, 18, 19. Okay, so if you add, you get answer 7. This is 14. This will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 will carry, 8 is 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 2 carry, 7, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 1 carry, 9, 10, 15, 19. 1 carry, 7, 4, 11, 12, 13. 1 carry, 10, 15. 1 carry. So your answer will be 2539.81147. So this is the normal step that we have done. Now let us solve by using the concept that we have just discussed above, by using the method. Okay, so you will itself notice how easy it will be as compared to that, but yeah, it takes a time. If you practice a lot, then only you will work hard. Okay, now let's first step will be multiplying this, like we have did it, like fz, multiply fz means multiply this. Okay, then second step will be multiply this and this, means 35. This is 35 plus 9. 35 plus 9 will give 44, so 4 will be carry. Okay, now in your third step you will be dealing with 7 7s are 49, then 5 9s are 45 plus 3, so 49, 45 plus 3. So this will be 45 45. If you add this, you will get answer 45 plus 45 is 90 plus 4 94 plus 3 97. 97. Okay, 97. 97, and here the 4 is actually carry, 4 is carry on. Okay, so you just add plus 4, so it will give you answer 101. 101. Okay, so here you write 1, 11 will be carry. Okay, 11 will be carry on. Okay, now you have to multiply this and this, means 7 9 is 63 plus 7 9 is 63. 63 plus 63 will give you 60 60 120. 126 plus 15, 126 plus 15 will give you 126, 136, 141. 141 plus 11 is carry, 151, 152. We have got 101, and so here 10 will be. Okay, so here 1, if you multiply this number, you get answer of 963 plus 63 plus 15, you get answer of 141. So if you add this 10, then you get answer of 151. Okay, so 15 will be carry on. Now just multiply this number with this, so 3 7 are 21 plus 81. 21 plus 81, 91, 101, 102, 102 plus 21. 102 plus 21 means 121, 123 plus 15, 133, 130, 138, 138. Okay, 138 you get answer, so 30. Now you have to multiply this number. Okay, 6 9s are 42. 6 9s are 42 plus 27, 52, 62, 69. 69 plus 27, 79, 89, 96. 96 plus 13, 106, 109. 109. Okay, 109. So 10 will be carry on here. Okay, now you have to multiply double digit number, means 6 7s are 42 plus it's double digit number with a 39 number, means 6 9s are 54 plus 9. 54 plus 9 will give 63. 63 plus 10 will give 73. 7 will be carry. Now just multiply this number, 6 3 is 18 plus 7, you get an answer of 25. So see, we all got the same answer, 2539.81147. We got same answer. The difference is that in this step you have taken a lot of steps. This is first step, this is second, this is third, then you get answer. In this step we have got a direct answer. But the thing is that how you get this, it's only done by practice. How much you practice, the more you speed, because this you will easily understand in first instance. For you, if you are practicing for first time, it will definitely take a time. But if you are solving it with a practice, if you are practicing it daily, then it will definitely improve, and at the end it will give you a speed in how you can solve it as compared to betters. Okay, in how you can save time. This is simple step I have taken. If you compare the time in with practice, you will solve it, save in man, you will definitely save a lot of time. Okay, so I think in this video this is the only thing. And yeah, we do have an option of solving 4 questions. We can do solve, for example, if there is a 4 concept, right? If there is a 4 one, let us suppose this one is let us suppose this, okay, and there is this. So you can also solve 4th one by using this, then this, then this, then this. Means simple सी बात है. In this way you can easily solve that 4th concept also. But the thing is that in our CAT point of view, If you are able to solve 3-digit number, 2-digit number, that's more than sufficient. You will not be asked to solve 4-digit number and all. Okay, so that's all from my side. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and share with your friends and stay connected for further more. In next video we will be dealing with how to do division fast concept, fast way. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you very much.